Focus to Karnataka, where the Forest Department has got a clearance from the court to file a case now against the producers of the Toxic movie, starring Yash and other Bollywood actors, Canara Bank and the HMT, over felling of trees in the alleged forest land for a movie setup. The FIR now has been registered under multiple sections of the Forest Act. Our colleague Deepak is just joining us and he has more details of that big story. Deepak, what more do we know about what has happened so far? What is the charge? What does the FIR also say?
Well, now we should note that last week, of course, Times Now brought out details of this case. There is a movie called Toxic that's being shot. It's a pan-India movie starring, KGF fame's Yash along with a few Bollywood actors. They had created a setup for the movie in Pina, that's in the outskirts of Bengaluru. Now, the Forest Department, including the Forest Minister, visited this site and said that this was a reserved forest land. Felling of trees was not something that was allowed. This land was given to the HMT, which falls under the Union Ministry of Heavy Industries and Steel. Now, then they did mention, of course, they will take action against HMT or even the movie producers if found guilty. At that point in time, HMT had eventually clarified that they had sold it to Canara Bank. Now, keeping all that aside, the allegation still remained that the production house of this movie felled trees to, make this movie set up in that property. The Forest Department has now moved court. They have got the clearance and an FIR now has been registered against 3 people. That is the producers of the movie Toxic, also the Canara Bank and HMT, because there is of course a confusion as to who leased out or rented out this land to the movie producers. So we'll really have to see with this FIR now being registered whether there will be any sort of turbulence between the actors and the Karnataka government or the Forest Department rather.
All right, Deepak, we'll track that story for the moment. Thank you.